Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to download Duckduckgo browser on Windows. So we're going to start now. The first thing you do is over your search bar you can simply search for Microsoft Store, or if you already have it, which I do, just simply go here and look for Microsoft Store. So this is it. Tap on it to open up. Now it's preferable to download from here because the apps here are secured. So next you tap on search up here and you type in Duckduck, name of the browser, which is Duckduckgo. If I'm right, yes, Duckduckgo. So you tap on enter and you can see Duckduckgo private browser. This is exactly what we're looking for. You click on it. Let's see what it's about first of all. So let's see, it's for Windows a free browsing app that gives you comprehensive online privacy protection by default. Wow. So let's do it. Let's see what's, look at the screenshots over here. Okay, we'll go through that after that. Now let's click on get. So it's getting ready, checking dependencies. So while that's going on, let's look at the screenshots of the browser. Okay, there we go. This is the first. Your protection, our priority, search, browse, and email more privately with Duckduckgo. We have about 10 screenshots. It helps to block hidden trackers on millions of sites. Wow. It also helps you to search anonymously. We don't track you ever. You don't track us? Good. You can clear your tabs and browsing data with just one tap. Alright. You can watch YouTube videos more privately, distraction free. Nice. Password manager also to prevent emails you receive from tracking you. Cookies pop-up blocker automatically blocks it. Wow. And then personal information remover. So automatically remove your personal information from sites that store and sell it. But this is included with your Privacy Pro subscription, so you have to subscribe for this. So it also has VPN to help you secure your connection anytime, anywhere. It's also included with your Privacy Pro subscription. ID theft restoration. This is if identity is stolen, to help restore it. That's nice. But of course, it's included with Privacy Pro subscription. I'm beginning to think we need to definitely go for Privacy Pro subscription. And let's go back. It's installing. So 459.3 megabytes. Let's keep going. Let's see what's about. Okay, Duckduckgo for Windows is a free browser that provides the most comprehensive online privacy protection in one app. Unlike most popular browsers, it has powerful privacy protection by default, including our search engine that doesn't track your history and over a dozen other built-in protections. Millions of people use Duckduckgo as their go-to browser to protect their everyday online activities, from searching to browsing, emailing, and more. Now let us see the features. Search privately by default. Block most trackers before they load. Our third-party tracker loading protection goes beyond what most browsers offer by default to stop hidden tracking scripts from loading and collecting your data. Enable email protection to get free doc address to block most email trackers. To give you free doc address to block most email trackers. They've cut them about 85% of emails. And to hide the existing email address without switching email providers. You can watch YouTube videos more privately in Doc Player. Protects you from targeted ads with a distraction-free interface that incorporates YouTube's strictest privacy settings for embedded video. Automatically enforced encryption. Force many sites you visit to use an encrypted HTTPS connection to help shield your data from Wi-Fi and network snoopers like your internet provider. Import bookmarks and passwords. Using another browser or password manager to store passwords is fast and easy to bring your login details to Duckduckgo secure password manager bookmarks too. There's also everyday privacy control. Clear your tabs and browse data in a flash with the fire button. Banish cookies pop-ups automatically sets your preferences to minimize cookies and maximize privacy. Signal your privacy preference with global privacy control (GPC) built into the app. GPC intends to help you express your opt-out rights automatically by telling websites not to sell or share your personal info. Whether it can be used to enforce your legal rights depends on the laws in your jurisdiction. Privacy Pro. Now let's see what happens if you subscribe to Privacy Pro. If you subscribe to Privacy Pro, you get free VPN, secure your connection to iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows. Personal information removal. You finally remove personal info from sites that store and sell it. That means other feature information are for the normal subscription that you don't pay for, the free one. But if you pay, or should I say if you subscribe to Privacy Pro, you get VPN, personal information removal, identity theft restoration. These are the 3 new features that will be added. That's nice. So you don't have to worry about your identity be stolen, to be restored. You don't have to worry about security of your connection to be done. You don't have to worry about personal information, moving it personally, manually from the site to be done for you if you subscribe to Privacy Pro. Now, Privacy Pro pricing and terms. Let's see. The personal information is not required to subscribe. You have the option to provide an email address to activate your subscription on other devices, and will only use that email address to verify your subscription. So for terms of service and privacy policy, visit https. We have duckduckgo.com/pro/privacy terms. You don't need to wait to take back your privacy. So you join in millions of people using Duckduckgo and protect many of your everyday online activities with one app. It's privacy simplified. So you can read about their free tracking protection at https://help.duckduckgo.com/privacy/web tracking protections. So privacy protection, you want to know about your privacy protection, https://duckduckgo.com/privacy/terms of service, blah 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 blah. So you need more, check it. So that is this. It also has system requirements. So to help you check also what is new in this particular version that we're trying to download. It says you see few of those annoying cookie pop-ups around the web. Alright, they made some routing bug fixes and improvement, fix an issue that allowed the password edit to be closed without saving changes, and fix an issue that caused keyboard focus on the text field to be lost when switching between tabs. Alright, so developed by Duckduckgo.inc, published by Duckduckgo.inc in 2023. That's nice. Release date is 21st/12/2023. Category productivity, approximate size is 1.1 gigabytes. You can get this app by signing into your Microsoft account and install it on up to 10 Windows devices. This app can also use all system resources, access your internet connection, and manage other apps directly. Languages that supported are Dutch, English, French. Let's see there's more. Here we have German, Italian, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, and Spanish. So this is publisher's info, legal disclaimer, and so this is all. So we are at 78% right now. As soon as it's through downloading, it actually is installing. As soon as it's through installing, we're good to go. We'll open up the app. So installing 100%, almost done, and now we can open. Let's launch it. And see what it looks like. Let's keep this for now. We'll import later. Let's keep making the default browser for now. We'll do that later. Let's keep this for now. Okay, let's enable session restart. Shortcut. Okay, let's keep it for now. And then next. So we're all set to start browsing. And that's it. So let's make it full screen so we just need to customize and that'll be it. So that's it. That will do it in the next video. So that's it for today. That is how to download and install Duckduckgo browser on Windows. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.